So this is the third video in the C++ video series tutorial. Here we are going to discuss our first C++ program. So our problem statement is to write a program in C++ to print hello world on the screen. So in our first line we have put a comment. Putting comments in any programming language is a good programming practice, because if some other programmers is watching your code, he will be able to understand quickly. So in our first line only we have put a comment here. Now we are going to start with this hash include iostream. So with this line, what we are telling the compiler to include iostream class, which has certain objects which are being used in this program. So we will look at it later on, and with the help of this statement using namespace, we are actually declaring a namespace to use standard C++ elements. Okay, if we are not using this statement, then we cannot directly access whatever objects are defined within this standard std. Okay, so let us see. So int main is the function from where the program executes. That means when the program executes, this is the point where our execution starts, from where our execution starts. Okay, so a curly brace open, this is the syntax of a function, and then what we are going to do, we are going to type in cout and then hello world within double quotation. So cout helps us to display whatever message that we type in within the double quotation. Now since our function name is main and the return type is integer, so we need to return an integer after this line. Since our program is complete, so we are going to return 0, since the return type of our program is integer. So this marks an end of our program. Here the return statement terminates this function, and since we have only one function in this program, so with this return statement our complete program terminates. And one more thing to note here, that every statement is terminated with a semicolon.